I'm looking for an error code description/diagnosis for code ER22 on a Siemens ET9752UC cooktop.
Thanks. Can you give me any more details about your issue?
The cooktop doesn't work. When power is turned on, it just says ER22 on the digits. The manual only says call a repair company.
Okay, got it. Last thing, JustAnswer charges a fee, generally around $18, to post your type of question to UK Appliance Experts. You only pay if satisfied. There are a couple customers ahead of you. Are you willing to wait a bit?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to take you to a page to place a secure deposit with JustAnswer. Don't worry, this chat is saved. After that, we will finish helping you.
Hi, welcome to JustAnswer. My name is. I look forward to helping you. That error means there is trouble with the touch control system. The touch control electronic will likely need to be replaced. You can try turning the breaker off for a few hours to reset, but the control will likely need to be replaced. See the attached tech sheet. Please let me know if you have additional questions or need clarification. There is no additional charge for any follow-up help. If you have any other questions, please let me know. You may continue asking follow-up questions until you have all the information you need, even after rating my service. Thank you.
Thanks, Kelly. That tech sheet is very informative. Are the individual touch sensors replaceable, and is there a way to tell which sensor is bad? The board says YL17511 on the sticker, and YL159 on the board. Would this tech sheet still apply?
The board is sold as an assembly, so you can't replace one zone, unfortunately. I will look up that part, give me just a few minutes. See the attached page.
Thank you, Kelly. Unfortunately, the part costs more than I paid for the entire unit. I will search to see if I can find a used one.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.